Hello everyone. So welcome to all of you in my full master series. In this particular lecture, I will teach you that how can you generate thumbnail with the help of custom prompt which you have learned previously. Okay, so let's start our lecture. First of all, let's create some basic prompts. Create prompt for video editing course thumbnail. Okay, no text. It should have aspect ratio 16:9. 16:9. Hit the enter button. So this is a high detailed prompt for video editing. Similarly, let's generate prompt for UI UX design course. Finally, we have created prompt for UI UX design course. Now ChatGPT have been trained successfully, so we don't need to explain everything again and again. Okay, that's why here we will type similarly for. I am typing similarly because ChatGPT have been trained successfully. Okay, that's why here I am typing similarly for deepfake AI course. Hit the enter button. So it has generated successfully. Okay, now let's create again similarly for guitar course. Hit the enter button. This is a prompt for guitar course. Okay, and you can read this. Here I am giving you one of the most important tip for using ChatGPT. Okay, hence your ChatGPT have been trained successfully. That's why here we don't need to explain everything again and again. Okay, so for last time, let's type here. I will give you only topic name. On the basis of that topic, generate similar results. Hit the enter button. Perfect. Just drop the topic name and I'll generate highly demand thumbnail prompt 16:9, no text, just like the previous one. Okay, so now we don't need to explain everything again and again. From now we can type only topic name and it will generate thumbnail. Graphic designing course. Hit the enter button. So it has generated prompt for me. Text to image generator master course. You can pause this video and you can read this. Figma UI UX design master class. Hit the enter button. So now let's generate each image one by one. Okay, so first of all, let's copy first prompt which was for video editing. So let's copy, and I have opened ChatGPT in new tab. Let's paste it and hit the enter button, and let's see what will happen now. And you don't have to forget to type here create image dash and paste your prompt. Hit the enter button. If you will not type create image, then it will not create any kind of image for you, so you don't have to miss it. You have to type create image before your prompt. So this is a final output. Let's copy another prompt, paste it here. Create image dash. This is a design for UI UX course. Let's copy another prompt. And it is for DeepSeek AI course. So let's paste it and hit the enter button. 1 minute. Create image dash. Hit the enter. And this is a result for DeepSeek AI course thumbnail. Let's copy prompt for guitar ultimate course. Okay, and paste it here. Create image dash, paste. Hit the enter button. So finally we have an awesome thumbnail for guitar ultimate master course. Let's copy prompt for graphic designing master class. Let's paste it. Hit the enter button. So this is a awesome thumbnail for graphic designing. But if you will notice one thing, which is that there is no consistency in our all thumbnail because we haven't provided any extra detail related to its artwork. If you will notice all the images that we have generated recently, each image has its own unique art form, but it is not consistent because we haven't provided art form. Okay, so you can type your prompt like make it more realistic. Okay, so here we got graphics designing thumbnail, but it is looking like a little bit cartoonish. So now what I will do, I will copy same prompt, paste it here, make realistic, make it realistic. Now it is looking realistic. Okay, now we have specified our thumbnail should look realistic, it should not look like cartoonist. Okay, so you have to specify what you want. Okay, our content creator is looking towards his desk, but if you want that he should look towards the camera, then you have to specify same thing. Let's copy same prompt, or instead of that we can edit this message. So let's edit this message, and he should look towards the camera. Hit the enter button and it will generate it again. If you will notice that we are gradually increasing our course level. Just you have to type your prompt very specifically. Basically you have to explain each thing in very detailed manner what you want. If you will not specify color, art form or your prompt, then ChatGPT will generate random results. So to avoid random results, you have to make sure that you have specified each thing in very detailed manner. So now finally our content creator is looking towards the camera. From the next time you have to make ultra realistic thumbnail, and content creator is looking towards the camera. Hit the enter button. So now finally we have trained ChatGPT to do some specific work. From this time it will not generate any random stuff. It will generate only realistic image and in which content creator is looking towards the camera. So this is a two thing which is a constraint for our work. Okay, so now let's copy another prompt, Figma UI UX design course, and let's paste it. Hit the enter button. Now he is looking towards the camera. In the next lecture I will teach you that how can you merge two images. Like you can add this actor, you can add your own self in any thumbnail. Okay, so that you can generate this kind of awesome image. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will learn everything.